Hello future CADers. So this is the part where I show you how to CAD. So before you do anything, I have reason to believe that the most important part of learning how to do stuff is how to open the software. So I have my keyboard shortcut here that says Solidworks 2017, or you can search for it at the taskbar. Solidworks. So I click on that and a loading screen appears. So the first time you open this, it's going to have a license agreement and you're going to have to click accept. That's going to be the only time you're going to have to click it if it's the first time you're using that computer. So we have icons here. So this icon creates a new document. If you click on that, you're going to have to see part, assembly, and drawing. Part gives you a single component, and assembly it lets you open up various parts and assemble into a larger model, and drawing is a drawing. So mainly we'll be using part and assembly. So if you want to open a part that already exists, you go to open. So this is where I keep all my CAD files. So let's say I want to open the apple. I click this, I click open, and this, wait for it, this thing shows up. And you can rotate using arrow keys, or your mouse is roller if you press down on it and shift it around. So that's not the only way to open a CAD file. You can go to file folder and then you can click on your models. Okay, the users. So this is the folder that showed up earlier. And then you can click Apple again, but this will only work if you're using a SolidWorks part or a SolidWorks assembly, because it will not work on step files, which is a part you download from somewhere else that is generic for all CAD files. And thanks for watching.